Since I have a lot of views on my channel about the Dewalt XR 20 volt impact half-inch impact driver, I figured I'd do a video on after a year worth of use. So as you can see it here, it has some nicks and scratches and all on it because I use it hard. So I figured I would still show you. And then I'll be also show you, there's the number of a DCF 899. I think I put that in the description, I'm not sure. But anyway, I have a little work here that I'm doing on my green Ford, getting ready because it's fall, just about. And it needs serviced and inspection and all that stuff. So I figured I'd do a video taking the lugs and stuff off while still that I use this thing pretty hard. And you've probably seen it in some of my other videos. Okay, year review on the Dewalt 20 volt max. I want to throw this in here with this as well. Kind of a tidbit on this impact gun. Saw I showed you a little part of it, how old it is. So this here is an 1.1 socket. I see that's loose. Let's get an extension. Okay, radius arm bushing, 1.1 Dewalt 20 volt, half-inch impact, if we can get on it right. We are going to need an extension, a shorter one. Yeah. Get on it right. I guess it's not gonna do it. Maybe it actually has met its match. Then again, look at that. Proof is in the pudding. Can you really beat that impact wrench? That is one of the hardest bolts that I have ever changed. I've done many of these radius arm bushings on these 70s Ford trucks, and that thing was mighty hard. It's probably hot, I can't even hold it so. Focus back here. There it is. I'm impressed how clean it is, but anyway. On with the rest of the video. So here's taking some lugs off of a 75 Ford truck. These are torqued to about 100 foot-pounds, and you can see the impact driver Dewalt XR works quite well at removing lug nuts. One thing I do recommend with this gun, if you're like me and you're torquing your wheels and stuff, this is, you can get them other places, but I've had this for a long time. This is made by Snap-on. 100 foot-pound torque stick, so then you're not over tightening your lugs, because that impact driver has 1,300 foot-pounds of torque, so which is quite a bit, and you do not want to torque your wheels that tight. But all in all, again, as I said, you can see the nicks and scratches and so on and so forth on it. It's been dropped, it's been used hard. If you look back at my channel and all the different videos I've done, you can see me using it for quite a bit of things. But all in all, great tool. I recommend it for your toolbox. I'll do a video on batteries coming up. Purchase some other batteries. I recommend certain batteries, sometimes I don't. So that'll be a future video on batteries. So, but thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, and keep on wrenching.